Hi guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Irtisham Safir Ahmed and today we will discuss about T20 World Cup 2026. First of all, let me give you all the details of the World Cup. So the T20 World Cup 2026 will be hosted by Sri Lanka and India. There will be 5 venues from India and 3 from Sri Lanka. So there will be total 4 groups and each group will have total 5 teams. Now let me tell you all the groups. Group A, India, Pakistan, USA, Namibia, Netherlands. Group B, Australia, Sri Lanka, Zimbabwe, Ireland, Oman. Group C, England, West Indies, Italy, Bangladesh, Nepal. And Group D, South Africa, New Zealand, Afghanistan, UAE and Canada. So top 2 teams from each group will qualify for the Super 8. So at Super 8 there will be 2 groups again and each group will have total 4 teams. Again the top 2 teams from both the groups will qualify for the semis. Like Group A winner will face Group B runner up and Group A runner up will face Group B winner, and after that it will be the final. Now let me give you my predictions of the World Cup 2026. Group A, India, Pakistan, USA, Namibia, Netherlands. So I think India and Pakistan will go through. And Group B, Australia, Sri Lanka, Zimbabwe, Ireland and Oman. Australia and Sri Lanka will go through. Group C, England, West Indies, Italy, Bangladesh and Nepal. And my prediction is England and Bangladesh will go through. I don't think West Indies will go through. Group D, South Africa, New Zealand, Afghanistan, UAE and Canada. And my prediction is South Africa and New Zealand will go through. No Afghanistan for Super 8. I know they have qualified for the last semi-finals for T20 World Cup 2024, but I don't think they will qualify for the Super 8 this time. They have already lost 3 match T20 series to Bangladesh by 3-0, so I don't think so they are gonna qualify. Okay. Now in the Super 8, the Group A of Super 8 will have India, Australia, Bangladesh and New Zealand, and Group B will have Pakistan, Sri Lanka, England and South Africa. So from Group A, I think India and Australia will go through, and India will be the group winner and Australia will be the group runner-up. And from Group B, Pakistan won't go. I think England and South Africa will go through from Group B of Super 8, and South Africa will top the group and England will be the runner-up. So in the semi-final 1 will be India versus England, and my prediction is India will win the semi-final 1 and they will go to the final. And after that semi-final 2 will be Australia versus South Africa, and my prediction is Australia will go through. So the final will be between Australia and India, and my prediction is India will win the tournament of T20 World Cup 2026 by beating Australia in the final, because it is their home ground plus home team whatever. But I don't think it will be the repeat of 2023 World Cup final. I think India will manage to win the World Cup 2026. Now let me tell you the top wicket taker and top run scorers. So the top run scorer according to me will be Abhishek Sharma from India, and the top wicket taker will be Jasprit Bumrah from India. Okay, that's all. We'll see you in another video. Bye bye, Tata, see you again.